Best Beard Trimmer 2024. Intro. Best Beard Trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Name: Philips Norelco Multiroom Series 7000. Best beard trimmer for head-to-toe styling. Norelco Philips Multiroom Series 7000. Men's grooming kit with trimmer for beard, head, hair, body, groin, and face. No blade oil needed. About this item: the Philips Norelco Multiroom 7000 provides stainless steel precision with 19 tools and accessories for a perfect beard, hair, and body trim. The precision trimming guard allows you to select length settings in 0.2 mm steps from 1 to 3 mm for a precise trim to the exact length you want. The additional 3 to 7 mm adjustable comb provides even more grooming options for a customized look. The Smart Beard Sense technology scans beard density 125x per second and boosts power exactly when you need it to tackle dense, bushy, or long beards. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades remain sharp as day one for long-lasting performance. No oil required. Features body combs for body and intimate grooming. The steel frame and rubber grips deliver superior control, and the lithium-ion battery yields 5 hours of runtime. USB-A charging cable included. Wall power adapter not included. Includes 1 steel trimmer, 1 adjustable 1 to 3 mm precision trimming guard, 1 adjustable 3 to 7 mm guard, 1 steel precision trimmer, 1 nose and ear trimmer, 1 extra wide hair trimmer. Includes continued 4 hair trimming guards, 1 long beard guard, 2 fading hair guards, 2 body trimming guards, an eyebrow trimming guard, a storage bag, a cleaning brush, USB-A charging cable included, wall power adapter not included. The grease found as you remove the trimmer head is there to ensure consistent trimming performance over time, so you'll have a trim that's as smooth as day one. The Philips Norelco 7000 is a true powerhouse in the grooming world. With a massive 23 attachments, it tackles everything from precise beard styling to haircuts, body trimming, and even nose and ear hair. At its core are self-sharpening dual-cut steel blades designed for maximum precision and longevity. While its durable frame and non-slip rubber offer a comfortable grip, it is powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery delivering up to 5 hours of cordless use. Conveniently, all attachments are washable for quick and easy cleanup. The Philips Norelco Multiroom Series 7000 is fantastic for men seeking a single device to manage all their various facial hair and body hair grooming needs. Anyone who desires consistently great trimming performance and durable build quality. Frequent travelers who need a well-organized grooming kit on the go. Benefits, drawbacks: unmatched versatility for head-to-toe grooming, higher price point due to features, smooth, consistent performance. Could be overwhelming for those seeking a basic trimmer, durable, long-lasting construction, up to 5 hours of runtime on a single charge. Promising review: 60K total. I've had this product for a few months now, and I am thoroughly enjoying it. The quality is solid, and it feels durable. I primarily use a couple of the head/guards for trimming my hair and beard, and they perform exceptionally well. They are powerful, sharp, and provide clean cuts. One of the standout features is its long-lasting battery life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.